The following Zoom session is being recorded and will appear later today on my YouTube channel, Math with Mayo. There are two different classes that may be observing this session. Therefore, when you participate in the Zoom meeting, if you do not wish for your name or picture to be made public, please leave the video off and use an alias name. If you have questions during the meeting but do not wish to speak, email me at bmayo@ybcc.edu and I'll respond as soon as I can. All right, so today we're going to be reviewing for the Chapter 9 test, which is tomorrow. There will be no Zoom meeting class tomorrow. Just finish your test before 11:59 p.m. tomorrow evening. I have a couple of questions here I want to look at that came in from emails. So first of all, I want to look at this problem from WebAssign. This is number 15 from section 9.5. And here we see the student's answer, and here we see the correct answer. The student did everything correct except that somewhere in the process they changed capital A to a small a. And in a formula, a capital A and a lowercase or small a are not the same thing. There are formulas where you have actually both versions of the same letter, a capital letter and a lowercase letter standing for different items. So the only thing wrong with this answer is that the A needs to be capitalized. I wanted to point this out because I know several of you have gotten frustrated doing this and thinking what's wrong with it, and it's very subtle, but it's important. Another situation where maybe you're supposed to write a function in terms of x or in terms of q, let's say, and you'll write f of q or whatever equals 3x plus 17, and it's supposed to be 3q, but you'll put the wrong letter in there. It'll be marked wrong and you're wondering, you know, I thought I did everything correctly. Anyway, bottom line here, pay close attention to the variables and the case of the letters. All right, next we have one other question that came in, and so let's take a look at that. This is from the Chapter 9 review, and this is number 22. It says, simplify the following. We have the fourth root of 162 x to the 12th y to the 4th. All right, since our index is a 4, we're looking for bases raised to the 4th power or to the multiple of 4th powers, and then leftovers. 162 is 2 times 81, which is 2 times 9 times 9, which is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 2 times 3 to the 4th power. So we can write 162 as 2 times 3 to the 4th power. So this becomes the fourth root of 2 times 3 to the 4th times x to the 12th times y to the 4th. Now, other than the 2, all of the other bases have a power that is either the same as the index, 4, or a multiple of the index, such as 12. So going through and simplifying, this is going to stay inside the radical. The fourth root of 3 to the 4th power is 3 outside of the radical. The fourth root of the fourth root of x to the 12th power is x to the 3rd power outside of the radical. And the fourth root of y to the 4th power is y outside of the radical. And then left inside is the fourth root of 2. Be careful. Make sure that you put in the index if it's something other than a 2. Okay. Anyway, so that is the final answer for that problem. I'm going to put a pause on the recording now and wait and see if anybody else comes in with questions. All right, well, I guess that wraps it up for today. So I hope you do well on your test.